Mr. Hall, what happened to your lip?
Oh my god, I'm sorry. I thought I'd be alone out here.
Ballet suck?
Have you ever done something that you knew you weren't supposed to do, but you did it anyway?
Yeah, lots of times.
I haven't. Oh, sorry.
Look, my break's over, but you think I can meet you back here when the show's over?